There's a lot going on down on Bill Street tonight. The place where the blues began in Memphis, Tennessee.
I'm thinking about cutting it up with hound dog.
Ooh, hound dog.
You ain't nothing but a...
Elvis, you could not get a better life to use as a canvas. Music, the looks, the fashion, an icon of all time. He's actually a symbol of culture.
Baz wanted to tap into Elvis's iconic style moments. We studied all the references to the nth degree.
They make it all feel so real, and it is real.
It's so essential to see Elvis watching Little Richard, and he's like, woo! It was massive, their influence.
You look at the way that he dressed throughout his career, going back to the 50s, the lace shirts, the flowing pants, the custom shoes, the 60s and black leather. I also loved the white jumpsuit.
It was about finding the distinct shift between periods. I was lucky enough to rekindle collaboration with Prada and Miu Miu and Miuccia Prada to tell the Elvis story through iconic design.
He was the catalyst for a lot. I think that was all just coming from that spirit inside.